Ano nga ba ang role ng nanay at tatay when it comes sa pagpapalaki sa isang bata? Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin yung role ng nanay at tatay pagdating sa pagpapalaking ng isang bata sa society. Ngayon sa unang item doon, ang sabi doon is one who loves till you close your eyes is a mother, and one who loves without an expression in the eyes is father. There are many ways on how you could actually communicate love. Kaya nga meron tayong different love languages. Ngayon pag ibang languages ba yung ginamit mo, malilesen ba yung love na gustong maiparating sa'yo? Of course, no. Nagkakaroon ng mismatch doon sa pag-communicate on how they love the person. Dahil hindi naiintindihan nung kabilang panig kung paano sila minamahal nung kabilang tao. 'Di ba katulad ng two people with two different languages? Usually they end up laughing at each other, or worse, nagagalit sila sa isa't isa because hindi nila maintindihan. I'll give you an example. Yung sa Ilocano, like for example, pag nakarinig ka sinabi, oh, kabatiti. Yung ibang language dito sa Pinas, mababastusan doon. Kahit din doon sa, kung Bisaya ata to, yung kadyot lang. Sa Tagalog, bastos yun, pero sa kanila, it means wait lang. Diba? Ngayon, yung pangalawang item doon, a mother introduces you to the world, and a father introduces the world to you. In other words, just like a coach, your mother gives you confidence, gives you courage to actually face the world. But what your father does is it introduces the reality of the world. Your mother is like a coach and your father acts like the judge. Usually kasi, yung tatay yung mayroong much better perspective when it comes sa reality ng mundo, kasi sila yung madalas nagtatrabaho sa labas. Alam nila yung hirap maging empleyado, alam nila yung hirap mag-commute, yung hirap na nakikita sa pang-araw-araw na buhay. As much as the father wants to actually console their kid, their son or daughter, hindi nila pwedeng gawin yun kasi tinotolerate nila yung pagiging snowflake ng isang bata. Because in reality, mahirap ang buhay. Here comes the mother to the rescue. Diyan na pupunta yung coaching abilities ng isang mother to push their sons or daughters para actually magpursige pa sa buhay, without denying them the reality or the harsh reality of life. Paano nila ginagawa yon? Usually, sa akin, by preparing a very good home-cooked meal. Ang taas magpataas ng moral nun. Di ba napakagandang combination nun? Yung nanay mo yung nagko-coach sa'yo, and yung tatay mo yung magsasabi kung okay ba talaga yung ginagawa mo. For the part 2, follow, like, share, and subscribe if nagustuhan mo ang content ko. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.